Hey everybody, it's Fred here. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but today I'm gonna open up some more cards. I got this Pokeball tin I was able to find a couple weeks ago. I just picked this up today. This blister pack. It's got two mini packs, a big champ holo and a coin. And I also picked this up probably a couple weeks ago as well. This blister pack with these two packs and the pin. So alright, I'm going to get into these. I've been kind of busy, haven't really been able to do any videos lately. I'm sorry about that. Let's start getting back into it. I'm going to open up this mini pack first. It's a very cool looking holographic Machamp. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, I found these today at Dollar General. They got this cool, looks like maybe the midnight form of Lycanroc. It's pretty cool. And check out these mini packs. Haven't opened any mini packs for a little bit. See what I get in here. Okay. You got a Lollipop, Cloyster, and Lily, all regular. That's just a promo card. Okay. Open up this next one. Sometimes you get some pretty cool cards in these, but a lot of times it's just regular stuff. We got a Growlithe, some Meow, and a Poliwhirl. Okay, nothing too great in there besides holographic Machamp. And I'm gonna get in this other blister pack. It's got this awesome pin, and these packs: Sun and Moon base set, and then the Crimson Invasion. And get into this. I think I got these. Finally found them at Walmart, I believe. I grabbed them because I haven't really found much lately, especially in Walmart. Get these packs out of here and check out this pin for a minute. It's actually really cool looking. See it? Awesome. Put that with my other ones. Okay. Alright, I'm going to open up the base set first, the Sun and Moon. And there you go. Code. There you go. Alright, let's see what we got. So, Leaf Energy. Professor Kukui. The Golbat. Populo. The Zubat. The Shelter. Reverse Holo Bearware, that's cool. Okay. And the Cineroar for the non-holo rare. Okay. And I'm getting into the Crimson Invasion next. Code. Oh, sorry, it's a little out of focus. Here you go. Water Energy. Sea of Nothingness. Wow, okay. Milk Tank. Ichigo. What do we say? Magikarp. That's pretty cool. It's got the robot Magikarp the Team Rocket was in. Okay, cool. Reverse Holo Pikachu. That's pretty cool looking. I might have that one, I'm not 100% sure. And then regular holo. Alright. So I'm gonna get into this this tin. I haven't found any tins for a while, and I don't have this was the rescue ball yet. So cool. Even the packs aren't the best to add the tin at least to my collection. This is one of the items I got when I waited in line at that one Target for like a couple hours. It's one of the items I picked up. Alright, see what we got in here. We got, oh, I'm very excited about that. That's awesome. One of my favorite Pokemon, Mew. It's a Mew token. It's definitely pretty sweet. Let's see what packs we got in here. Got this nice Pokeball tin ad. Alright, so we got in here. So you got a X and Y breakpoint, regular sun and moon, and then X and Y face collide. Alright. I think I'm going to start with the face collide first. See what we pull in here. Here's a code. There you go. Alright, here you got the Dugong Water. Now these cards look like they're a little bent from being in the tin. Snuggle. Okay, reverse holo. Railu. Oh, that is freaking really awesome looking. An Brilliant EX card. I'm very happy with that actually. That is really nice. Definitely my favorite. That and the Mew token are definitely my favorite so far. Okay. I'm gonna do breakpoint next. Code. Here you go. Okay. Next potion. There's a cool Lapras. Looks like Misty's in the background there. The Slowpoke. Evil. There's Psyduck. Furfrou. Ah, nice. One of the breaks. I know I definitely don't have this one yet. Trevenant. Something that's pretty sweet. And Clefable. Alright. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with this tin. So very good. And you just got the last sentiment base. And not only to have the tin itself, but happy to get that Mew token, and there's pretty awesome holo cards there. Got a Repel. So, another Professor Kukui. Here's Eevee. There's Meow again. Crab Brawler. There's a reverse holo Eevee. And then the last one is a holographic Crobat. That's pretty nice. Check them out. Okay, alright, that was the last pack. Do a little quick recap here. Reverse holo Eevee, holographic Crobat, a very cool holographic break card. It's cool. Okay, this is definitely my favorite card. Brilliant EX. Very cool. I mean, you got the holographic Machamp, the reverse holo Rulu, and I got a reverse holo Pikachu, and then reverse holo Bearware. And I also got a Midnight Form Lycanroc token, which is cool. and this Mew token, which is pretty sweet looking. Alright, that was it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.